Hey yo everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to build a clean and professional portfolio website without coding? In this video, I will show you exactly how to create your own portfolio website using Wix step by step in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First of all, go to wix.com and sign up with your email, Google, or Facebook account. If you already have an account, just log in. Click create new site to start building your new portfolio. Click new site, then choose the studio template section. Now choose portfolio as your website type. Wix will now give you two options. Use the Wix ADI to build for you, or choose a template and customize it manually. Wix offers stunning portfolio templates for designers, artists, and photographers. Choose one that fits your style, then click Edit to open the Wix editor. Once inside the editor, let's customize the home page. You can zoom out the page for better experience. At now, click on the text boxes to change your name. And tagline and description. Double-click any image to replace it with your own. Click change image from here. You can change the shape, then add to the page, then rotate the shape here. From the media section, you can upload your photos or browse from here. Click on it, then click add to page. Then resize your photos and drag onto your desired location like that. Go to the portfolio section of the site, click on each project to update the title, description, and images. You can link to work, GitHub, or Behance if needed. You can also duplicate a project box to add more items, or delete ones you don't need. After that, from the left side menu, click on plus icon, then scroll down and click menu and search button, or add a new page like about me, contact us, etc. Choose one and again go to menu search, then drag onto your canvas. look like that. You can resize the um, work or about contact size. Go to the size section and increase size or change the position if you want. For the about page, write a short bio, your background, and what you specialize in. Keep it clear and professional. Wix lets you edit the mobile version separately. Click the mobile icon to see how your site looks on a phone. Resize the text if needed. Resize text and images if needed. Want your domain like your name.com? Go to settings. From home section or click sites, then settings. Now find the domain tab. You will need to upgrade to a paid plan to connect a custom domain. Once you are happy with your website, click the publish button. You will get a live link to share your portfolio with the world. Tips for a great portfolio: keep it simple and focused. Use high quality visuals. Link to your socials or work profiles. Update it regularly with new projects. And that's how you build a beautiful portfolio website with Wix. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments who if you want a tutorial on e-commerce, blog, or client booking next. Thanks for watching and see you soon. And see you in the next video.